So these are the diaries of a goat farmer. So exactly a week ago, we had new arrivals at the farm. So this time we had many pregnant does. As you can see on the video, there are actually some that are pregnant. And as they arrived, we gave them vitamins. We gave them long-acting oxytetracycline to prevent miscarriage. We also vaccinated against pulpy kidney, and we also sprayed them. So this was the schedule that we did in order to try and prevent miscarriage, also try and manage the stress, because we know that transportation stresses the animals. But despite our best efforts, we have noted that several have miscarried, and even while I was at the farm, actually two have. This is the second one that has miscarried, and while I was at the farm, I was able to witness this miscarriage, and this, despite the treatment that I mentioned and all the preventative actions that we did, we were not able to prevent this. So there are many factors here now that can come into play. But one that is quite clear is the issue of stress, lowering immune system, and then predisposing the doors to infections. And these infections can actually target the placenta and cause these kind of miscarriages, which can actually be carried on to the next pregnancy if they are not adequately treated. So the plan now is to isolate her, treat her, and then also treat all the other pregnant does with antibiotics, so that we can actually prevent these miscarriages from happening. So this is quite sad, but in my opinion, there are many factors, and also remember that there is a gradual change of diet that we have done, and this can also lead to stress and then also weaken the immune system. So in retrospect, I think transportation of pregnant does should be avoided wherever possible, because the risks of miscarriage are quite high in these pregnant does. So the plan now, as I mentioned, is to isolate her, treat her, and then give prophylactic treatment for the remaining pregnant ones, so that we are able to avoid this really uh, painful loss of a kid. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channels. We also want to hear from you. Send us your comments. The Diaries of a Goat Farmer.